Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt that sudden tightness in your knees that makes you pause, just for a moment, before taking your next step? Maybe it's the morning you swing your legs over the bed, and the stiffness hits you immediately, heavy and unyielding, reminding you that your knees aren't as young as they used to be. And if you're like most people, your first instinct might be to reach for a painkiller, hoping to numb the discomfort. But what if your joints aren't asking for stronger medication, but rather gentle, natural support that works with your body instead of masking the problem? Today on Proverb and Herb, I'm sharing 7 natural remedies for joint pain and stiff knees. Remedies that have been used for generations. Using herbs and simple practices, all designed to help support your joints without relying solely on painkillers. So stay with me and let's explore how nature can gently support your knees and joints every single day. Joint stiffness doesn't happen overnight. It builds quietly over weeks, months, or even years. Often unnoticed until one day, a simple movement, climbing stairs, standing after sitting too long, or even bending down, reminds you that your knees aren't as flexible as they used to be. While painkillers can temporarily mask discomfort, they don't always address the underlying need for nourishment, circulation, and gentle movement. That's why these natural remedies can be so powerful when used consistently. Remedy 1. Turmeric with black pepper. Gentle, anti-inflammatory support. Turmeric is a golden spice celebrated across centuries for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a compound called curcumin. But here's an important tip. Turmeric alone doesn't absorb well in the body. That's why a pinch of black pepper can make all the difference, enhancing its effectiveness naturally. To use, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric into warm water or milk, add a tiny pinch of black pepper, and sip slowly once daily. It's not about instant relief, it's about supporting your joints over time, helping your knees feel more flexible and less heavy with each passing day. Picture this, the warm golden liquid traveling down, subtly warming your body, gently sending comfort to your tired joints. That's the magic of consistent, mindful use. Remedy 2. Ginger tea supporting circulation and reducing stiffness. Have you noticed that stiffness often feels worse in cold weather or after sitting for long periods? This is because circulation can slow down, leaving joints feeling tight and unyielding. Ginger is a natural remedy traditionally used to boost circulation and create a gentle warming effect in the body. By slicing fresh ginger and simmering it in hot water for 10 minutes, you create a tea that may help ease tension and support blood flow to your knees. Drink it slowly. Feel the warmth spread through your body, bringing relief from stiffness and preparing your joints for movement. Many people notice that their knees feel less tense after a warm cup of ginger tea, especially during colder months. Remedy 3. Epsom salt soak, relaxing muscles around the joints. Sometimes knee stiffness isn't just about the joint itself. The surrounding muscles may be tight and fatigued. Epsom salt contains magnesium, known for helping muscles relax and reducing that heavy, uncomfortable sensation. Dissolve Epsom salt into warm water and soak your knees or feet for about 15 to 20 minutes. Imagine the tension melting away as you sit back, letting your muscles absorb the soothing minerals. This is especially comforting after long days on your feet or when stiffness seems worse in the evening. Remedy 4. Clove oil massage, circulation, and comfort support. Massage is powerful, but combined with clove oil, it can feel like a mini spa for your knees. Clove oil contains compounds that may temporarily support joint comfort when applied topically. Mix a few drops of clove oil with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, and gently massage into your knees using circular motions. Take your time, focus on connecting with your body, feeling the warmth, the gentle pressure, and the improvement in circulation. Regular practice can make your joints feel lighter and more mobile over time. Remedy 5. Moringa, nutrient support from traditional herbs. Moringa is an herb long valued in African herbal traditions for overall wellness. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, it may help support joint health from the inside. You can brew moringa leaves as a tea or sprinkle powdered moringa into smoothies. The key is consistency. A small daily dose helps provide the nutrients your joints need to stay strong and flexible. Think of it as giving your knees a little natural nourishment every day, supporting your body as it naturally heals and adapts. Remedy 6, warm compress therapy. Wake up your joints. Morning stiffness is common because joints and surrounding tissues become tight during sleep. A warm compress can gently wake up your knees, increasing blood flow and loosening tight tissues. Apply warmth for 10 to 15 minutes, slowly moving your legs afterward to feel the difference. Even this simple practice done daily can improve flexibility and reduce the heaviness you feel when you first wake up. Remedy 7, gentle daily movement. The most overlooked remedy. Perhaps the most powerful remedy is surprisingly simple: movement. Avoiding activity because of stiffness may actually make stiffness worse. Low-impact exercises like slow walking, gentle stretching, and seated knee rotations help keep your joints lubricated and flexible. You don't need intense workouts. 5 to 10 minutes daily can dramatically improve how your knees feel over weeks. Remember, motion nourishes joints, while stillness stiffens them. There is an African proverb that says, "The earth does not forget how to heal what it has created." Your body is designed to adapt, repair, and respond. Sometimes it only needs the right support, patience, and consistency to restore comfort and mobility in your joints. These remedies are for general wellness support and are not a replacement for medical treatment. If you have chronic joint conditions, severe pain, or are taking medication, please consult a healthcare professional before trying new herbal remedies. Joint stiffness doesn't have to control your day. Small, consistent changes can make a meaningful difference over time. Which of these remedies are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you love natural wellness, African herbal knowledge, and safe, practical remedies, subscribe to Proverb and Herb for more. We share tips that help your body feel better naturally. See you in the next video.